Okay, good evening. Welcome to
Math test number 76.
MathTask76. This is an old Moem's problem that gave you a little bit of trouble today, so we're going to just talk through it. Anna starts with 8 and counts by 5s. Her first two numbers are 8, 13, and 18. Okay, so that's Anna.
Starts with 8.
Yep.
And
Counts by 5s. 8, 13, 18.
8,
That's the rest.
13, 18.
Josh starts with a whole number other than 8 and counts by a whole number other than 5.
So maybe like X and Y.
Some of his numbers are 11, 32, and 46. But he does not start with 11, and 24 is not one of his numbers. What number does Josh start with?
So, to get 11 as one of his numbers, if he doesn't start with 11, you could use, let's see, if you have to count by an odd number because you have both odd and even numbers.
Oh, very good observation. Okay, so you got to count by an odd number. Great observation.
So, but we don't know if the starting number is odd or even.
Yeah, we don't know.
Well, we could try the different scenarios when we count. So, if we can't count by 1 because then we would have 24.
Yeah,
We
so
count-
that's important. 24 is not one of his numbers.
If we count by 3, then we'd start with 2 and then go 5, 8, 11, 14, 15, 20, and then we would, well, let's see if we get 32. So we go 23, 26, 29, and 32. So we would get 32,
Okay.
but since we're counting by 3s, the difference should be a multiple of 3 between these. 32, 46 minus 32 is 14, so we're not going to get 46.
Ah, okay, so the difference isn't a multiple of 3. Okay.
So, if it's odd, then we should try 5. So, we count by 5s, we would start with 1.
But didn't the problem say he doesn't count by 5?
Oh yeah, he didn't count by
Counts by
5.
a number other than 5.
Okay, so if we started with 7, we'd have to start with 4 and then count by 7. 11. What's the difference between 11 and 32? 21. That's a multiple of 7. So that would work. And then 14 is a multiple of 7, so that would work.
Aha.
So he could start with 4 and then count by 7. Then it's 4, 11, 18, 23, and so on. And then the last choice would be 9. But 14 isn't a multiple of 9.
Okay.
So he starts with, let's see, what number does Josh start with? He starts with 4.
Great. Wow, that's great work. Yeah, and your observation here that the difference here is 14 is really
that
good.
could narrow it down.
And you also notice that the number's got to be odd.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's got to be an odd divisor of 14.
Which is, that would narrow it down to 7 easily.
Well, what are the divisors of 14?
1, 7, and 14. No,
And
2.
yeah, so 1, 2, 7, and 14.
But that would narrow it down to 1 and 7.
Yeah, and
we
why?
can't use 1.
Why?
because then you would have 24.
You would have 24. So right away, right from there, we can know it's 7. Also, the difference here between 11 and 32 is 21.
So it has to be odd divisor of 21. That would narrow it down to be 3, 1, 3, 7, 21.
So it's either 1, 3, 7, and 21. We know it's not 1. And then, you know, the other one narrows it down as well.
Yeah.
So looking at the differences helps.
Yeah.
Anyway, that was really great work. That was nice job.